Next is acylation. Primary and secondary aliphatic amines undergo acylation when treated with acid chlorides or acid anhydrides to form N-substituted amides. N-substituted means the substitution is directly on the nitrogen atom. Tertiary amines do not undergo acylation because they do not contain any replaceable hydrogen atom. Fill in the blank question can be asked, or give reason question can be asked. Now, mechanism. When explaining each step, please do this mechanism in your notebook. Let us take with acid chloride. Acid chlorides can be represented by the general formula RCOCl. Now, first step, the lone pair of the nitrogen is used for the bond between these two compounds. That is the point. Therefore, how that bond is obtained? Here there is a keto group in this one of the double bond which contain 2 electrons are given to oxygen. Therefore, oxygen gets a minus charge and carbon gets a positive charge. Therefore, this lone pair is used for the bond formation with this carbon, step 1. That is shown here. Nitrogen, the lone pair is used for the bond formation. Once a bond is formed, 2 eliminations are simultaneous. That means the hydrogen of the primary amine is eliminated as H+. Therefore, there is a bond. There is 2 electrons. This chlorine is eliminated as Cl-. Therefore, there is a deficiency here. That means carbon is plus. This Cl- and this H+ join together and form HCl. Now, oxygen is having a negative charge. Immediately it transfer the electron and get back the double bond again. That is the keto group. The electron which is left behind by the hydrogen is used as the lone pair. That is, lone pair used for the bond formation, it gets back from the hydrogen. Therefore, the compound formed is RNH. That is, one H is replaced by HCl. Single bond CO. Here is the mechanism started first. Then R dash remains same position without taking part in any elimination. Therefore, the compound obtained is RNH CO R dash.